Good afternoon students. In this video we are going to see how to construct a parallelogram. So for that we are going to draw a rough figure. Okay. So first you are going to draw a rough figure, then only you will be able to draw it fair and neatly. Okay. So what is given in the question, just go through the question. So we have to construct a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD, and the measure is given BC. Length BC is equal to 7 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter and angle ABC is 40 degrees. So we'll draw it roughly here. So we'll name it as ABCD. Okay. Now length BC is given as 7 centimeter. So we'll write there 7. And angle ABC. So this angle will be 40 degree. Then what is given? Length AB is given as 3 centimeter. So we'll write there 3. Okay. Now here angle B is 40 degree and here angle side AB is 3 centimeter. So opposite of that, opposite sides are congruent in parallelogram, isn't it? So that will be 3 centimeter. Now here to find out angle BCD, how you will find out? Adjacent sides are supplementary, isn't it? So here if it is 40 plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So how are you going to write that? What will be the answer there for angle BCD? From 180 you have to deduct 40. So you will get 140 as the answer. Okay, so you can just, I'll show it here. So 180 degree, because adjacent angles are supplementary for a parallelogram. So 180 minus 40, you will get 140. So we got angle BCD as 140 degree. So here now we have 5 elements out of 10 for a quadrilateral, and parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Now we can easily construct a parallelogram. So first what are we going to do? Same like how did we construct the rhombus. Take 7 centimeter, keep your scale straight and mark 7 centimeter. So we got segment BC here. So write there B and C. Seven centimeter. Now what are we going to do? We are going to mark angle ABC. So take your protractor, keep it properly at point B, and that 0 degree should lie exactly on BC. And then at 40 degree, mark 40 degree there. Once you get that point, join it. Okay, join it properly. So here we got the angle 40 degree. Okay. So write there 40 degree. Now we'll mark 140 degree at angle BCD. So keep it at this point, and from here this 0 we are going to see the 140 degree. Okay, from this side. So 140 will be here. So we got 140 here, mark that, and again join C with that point. So we have joined that. So this 140 also we got. Now what are we supposed to do? We have to mark 3 centimeter from B as well as 3 centimeter from C. Okay, so that we get the point A and D. So take 3 centimeter with your scale. Take your compass, take 3 centimeter and then draw an arc from point B. Keep it at point B, draw an arc there. Similarly, don't change your compass, same measurement from C we are going to mark so that we get point D. So here you are going to join it. Keep it properly and join the intersection line there. So now here our parallelogram is ready. Okay, so write there A and here D. Write the measurement which is given in the question. What was given? BC written down. AB we did not write, so write 3 centimeter. Angle ABC 40 degree. Okay, so this is how you are going to construct your parallelogram. Okay, so please do solve in your construct neatly in your notebook. Okay, in case of any doubt you can ask me when I take the online session. So that's all students. Thank you so much, and please do solve it in your notebook.